Hey guys, today I want to talk about a bunch of features that we have been working on to improve the sharing capabilities of our platform. So earlier as an event organizer, if I had to ask the participant to join a particular room in a particular category, it was pretty difficult and it was not very user friendly. So now with our new feature, link sharing of rooms is possible. So let me show you an example. If I go to this room and I join the sponsors Apple and I join the Apple room. So in the URL tab there's a link, and I can click this link. I can either share this link or I can get the link from here, copy room link. So and I can just share it with anyone who wants to join this room. So for example, this is a different user in my laptop. I click here, I enter the URL, and you'll see that I'll be joining this room. And I click join, and hey, I've joined the Apple iPhone launch. But there's one problem with the URL. So you see, this URL is very random, and it does not signify what the room is all about. So following our principles of customization, we are offering the ability to customize the room links. So for example, I can customize the whole room. So this is a category. What I can do is I can click on the category, I can edit this one, and there's a field called category URL, which signifies the name it will have in the URL. So I can say, hey, this is a sponsors, and this category will always have a sponsors in the URL. And in the Apple room, what I can do is I click as an event organizer, I edit this room, I go to the advanced configurations, and I click on the room URL, and I say Apple, which signifies the room is all about. So this one is already used, so I can do Apple 1, and I save it. So this room will now have a pretty looking URL, and which is easy to share and will give the context to the user. So it says category sponsors room Apple name one, and it will work the same. I can show you here. I go to the new tab and I share this URL. So it will do the same. It will join the room, and we will have a conversation again. So yeah, this gives us the facility to share the rooms, but it's not just room. We can share pretty much anything in our URL. So if I'm on a main stage, I enter the main stage and I want to let the participants know, like, hey, come to this main stage, and instead of telling them, I can just send them a link. So I can copy the link from here and I send it to the new user. If I do it, the user will get a dialog, or he can directly join it. So I'm on the main stage now. So yeah, this is the feature I want to talk about. Keep tuned in for more features and let us know your feedback. Thank you very much.